Hey, this is Frankie the Junk Man here. Got a nice load here of a bunch of furnaces. Guy came by, a client of mine. He called me and he said that he's got a bunch of furnaces. He didn't know what to do with them. So I said, well, just bring them over here to my storage unit and I'll take care of them. So he didn't have the time to break them down or anything. But as you can see, we got a whole bunch of them. We got about 2,000 pounds here of stuff. Couple of nice appliances in there. There's a coin-op appliance. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this stuff down. We've already started breaking some of them down. All we're doing is we're taking these coils off. I'm going to come back later and I'm going to cut these ends off right here off of this coil, and I'm going to get them clean. I had a refrigerator on the truck from another guy. He called me. So I've got a refrigerator on there. So we're taking all these apart. And plus I've got back here in this truck, I just went over and picked up this stuff too. So we're going to make a load. We're going to get a nice big check. So to be continued. And introducing James. He's my helper. He's hard at work getting these coils off. Come on, let's get them things loaded. Let's load them up.